Welcome to FX Mentor US, and in this video I am going to review the best trading view indicators that I have seen till now. So you know that I provide the analysis of the different strategies and I use the different indicators on my strategies and I provide the knowledge to my subscribers. So today I am going to highlight and give you the essence of the top ones that I have found till now so that it can be useful for your day trading purpose. So the first indicator that I will highlight that which one works really good is high and low optimized trend tracker HOTT by Kivan Osbejelik, right? Okay, right now I go to the if I click here, then you can see that this indicator has just attached on my screen. So the benefit of this indicator is this, that when you see that there is a blue zone and there is a red zone. So when the market is in between the two zones, you do not have to take any kind of entry. When it breaks the red zone, the red line here, you can go for sell, and vice versa. When it breaks the blue line, you can go for the buy position. Okay, so this is how this indicators actually works. Like for example, in the previous case we have the losing trade here, because if you look at here, it breaks, then it comes down. But if we talk about on gold here, then we have a break and then it went up. Okay, so this is one of the best indicators that I have seen on TradingView, because most of the subscribers have the problem, they stuck into the ranging market patterns. So this indicator is going to help you a lot. Okay, so you can see we have a break here, a downtrend, we have a break here into the upward trend, break here into the upward trend. So you can check different time frames, different charts. Break on USD JPY 15 minute, you can see it went up. Okay, so you can see different charts. Like break here, it went down. Clear? So this is the first indicator that you will be using for the day trading purpose. The second indicator that I recommend is the follow line indicator, and that is by Dread Blitz, and it has 4,000 above favorites right now. If I click on this one, so this indicator is very powerful. Okay, so it basically provides you with buy and sell signals. So how you can follow these signals? That's very simple. Like for example, we have a buy signal here in the blue line, but you can ignore this one, because if you look at here, on the other indicator, the trend is already into the downtrend. We are below the red line, so you can ignore this one. And if you have taken this sell, this was good. Okay, so let me show you on another chart at how it actually works. Okay, now you can see that it comes up, it breaks here the blue level, and we also had a buy signal. You can see the market sweetly went up, and you ignore the signals by the follow line when they are coming inside these two levels, because this level is by the author that you should not trade anything in between these two levels. Clear? So you can use this indicator, the follow line indicator, on 15 minute, 1 hour, and also for the scalping purpose you can use this one. For example, on Euro USD, you can see we had a sell signal, but here we have a break here, and if you look at here, it was way down. Clear? I think it should be very clear to you that I have highlighted you about the two best indicators, but now we are moving towards the third one. The third one indicator that we will be using is the moving average exponential. Clear? Okay, now what I am going to do, I'm going to use the settings. I'm going to the style section, I'm giving it a yellow color, and then if I go to the inputs, you can see we have a length of 9. We will change it to the 200 and we will press OK. Okay, now if I delete this indicator, the first one that we attached, now this will be more useful for you to understand. Very clear, above the 200 EMA, only take buy signals by the follow line, ignore the red ones. Clear? And if you see that the candles are below the 200 EMA, it means that there is no more upward trend. Then you should take your chances into the sell position. As you can see on the screen, Euro USD 15 minute, the market is already down. Clear? Okay, now let's go to Euro USD, gold chart here. So you can see here we had the down signal, that was fine, it was below the 200 EMA, but here we have become the order block. I will make another video about the order block later in the coming days, but later on you just see that here this candle was pumped above the 200 EMA. So if you have any position that is into the sell direction, immediately cut that one, because it has chances that the trend can go further into the upward direction, and you can see it went up. Okay, I think so that this must be very clear to you that below the 200 EMA only sell, and above the 200 EMA only buy and ignore the other rest of the signals. Clear? Okay, and at last I would like to introduce another indicator which I personally use very well, and I am also going to delete the follow line, and right now you can see that the 200 EMA is on my screen. Okay, the other one is the Parabolic SAR, which is by no author. It should have a no author. Okay, so if you look at the Parabolic SAR, then you can see above the 200 EMA and below the 200 EMA we are getting some dots, and you need to buy and sell as per the 200 EMA. But one combination that we will be used with this setup is the RSI strength index. Okay, so what we will be going to do a little bit change inside it. Go to the settings tabs. Okay, so we are going to remove all other except RSI and RSI middle band. We don't want any other one. Okay, so I have unchecked all others, and you can, if you want, give it a yellow color to the RSI middle one, and then press OK. Okay, now you can see we have the 50 period line here. So the strategy is very simple, and these are the one of the top 3 indicators that I'm reviewing today on TradingView. If you have the first bullish dot above the 200 EMA from the Parabolic SAR, and if you see that the candle line is crossing the 50 level on the RSI and the market is above the 200 EMA, you have fulfilled all conditions. You can go for the buy position. Clear? Okay, for the sell, however, the market was slow here. Let's take an example. For example, you have the first dot from the Parabolic SAR into the bearish side. The market is below the 200 EMA, and if you see here that the RSI line is crossing this 50 level, you can go for the sell position. So you know that I'm reviewing different type of indicators from last 4 to 5 months, and I am giving you the best knowledge. And trust me guys, if you use these traders even for scalping, even for day trading, they are going to help you a lot. Okay, at last I will say there is a one request. If you are willing to join the best broker, I use the Exness broker from 2015. It also supports currency pairs, Forex pairs, and also it has a special cryptocurrency trading accounts. You can join this broker by finding the link into the description. And moreover guys, please must share your thoughts about these best indicators into the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video.